Hi, this is Mrs. Prosser, and I'm going to show you today how to find Creative Commons images in Flickr. So all you need to do is go up here to the search. You don't actually need to sign in to find images, which is nice. So I'm going to search for cat. Let's say I need a cat picture. So first, all these images come up like this is a beautiful image, but let's say I click on this. If I look in the bottom right-hand corner here, it says C, 1C in a circle, which means it's copyrighted. So I can't just use this image without the person's permission who created it. Now, the great thing about Flickr is it makes it very easy to find Creative Commons images. So here, if I go to any license, this is where I'm going to change my search to all Creative Commons. And this will give me all the images that are labeled for reuse through Creative Commons. So I'm going to find one. This one looks kind of silly. I'll go with this one. That's a great picture. And over here, I'll see the little Creative Commons icon. This is the Creative Commons icon that means I have to cite who created the image. And then when I download this, and to download this image, you go over here to original or large is usually what you want to do. Download that image. By the way, you want to make sure your image is at least, let's say 500 by 500, or maybe 640 by 408. Make sure it's not too small or your image will look pixelated. But basically download it here, and then when you need to cite the image, just go down here to the username, and if it's a username or a real person's name, great. You'll use that to say, it's a Creative Commons image by, in this case, Moyen Bren. That's it's pretty easy. That's all you got to do. Super cool, and also it's kind of neat. It shows you where this image was taken, which is kind of fascinating. Here's one more thing you can do. You can search for cat, and then instead of looking for Creative Commons images, you can also go to no known copyright restrictions, which means basically these images are in the public domain. So this is a great picture. I'm going to go with this one. And down here, I will see that the license for this is public domain, which means I can use it for free without even having to cite anyone. So if I want to download this image and use this image, that's fine. Just make sure when you use it, you cite, hey, this is public domain. So under the image, I put, public domain image. That way, people know I'm not stealing this. Thanks for watching. That's all you need to do to find Creative Commons and public domain images in Flickr.